Yes, sir. Please state your name for the record.
Good evening, council members. Joe Donahue, Assistant Attorney General from the Louisiana Department of Justice. I sent you all an email shortly before this meeting started. First of all, I would like to just begin by saying that I am not criticizing Mr. Schmidt, Ms. LaBa, or Mr. Taylor. I was familiar both with Mr. Schmidt and Ms. LaBa prior to this project and have every confidence in their engineering abilities. Nor am I arguing that this project is unnecessary. It's a legal issue. That being said, though, I do take issue with a few things that were said earlier by one of the members of the CMAR team. They put up the diagram about how there are multiple different members. They are all from CoreX. They are all the design team. You will not see another public servant speak over here. Not FHWA, not DOTD. They are not here to discuss this project. And it is the duty of a public servant to inspire confidence in your government. And Councilman Gaudet, I appreciate you trying to shed some light on this project and get information about it out to the public, because I have engaged in the same endeavor since November of last year. And it has been very, very frustrating. Some of the things that were said, Mr. Schmidt said, we can't go to 3 lanes. That is absolutely not true. The environmental approval that they have currently requires them to maintain existing capacity. What they have been trying to do since February of last year is to deviate from that document, to cut down, knowing that it will cause a significant impact. And if they had said that up front, it would have required the full environmental study. Ms. LaBa said that DOTD is studying whether it is possible to maintain 3 lanes. Absolutely not. It is possible. The contract with Kiewit Bow, the CMAR contractor, requires them to maintain existing capacity. She also said that DOTD will decide whether it is going to be 2 or 3 lanes. Absolutely false. FHWA decides whether they can deviate from their existing environmental approval. Now, Councilman Gaudet, if the individuals here had viewed the March 8th, 2023 Metro Council meeting where Mr. Rayford presented about the city parish's plans for this project, they would have known the information that you were looking for. And any of the slides that were on the screen today that had that information have draft, have subject to change, have we may do this, we may do that. They cannot give you the information that you are looking for because they don't know it themselves. At that March 8th meeting, Mr. Rayford said that he had asked for alternate routes from DOTD, and he may correct me if I get what he stated wrong, but that they could not identify any, so he identified some himself, and he put them up on the screen, and they were available. Sir, the ones that are in the slideshow today differ from the ones Mr. Rayford showed in March.
That is your time. If you would make your last comments.
Certainly. It's fundamental. It's kindergarten. It is don't say one thing and then do another. That is what DOTD is doing. It's not their consultants. It's not their contractor. It is a legal issue, not an engineering issue. And I felt like you should have the information to know that what is being told to you is not accurate, is not correct. Thank you.
Thank you. Any other members of the public wishing to speak?